Let's see what lovely things are we gonna do. Keep on getting it arranged in this manner. Let's see what are we gonna do out of. You just have to do it like this. Keep on getting the drawings like this further with the help the watercolors like this and do it in this manner. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. The beautiful picture of it with a lovely hat. Let's proceed to our next craft. Here you have to get a cardboard sheet. The poster colors you need to spread them up in this manner, and then with the help of the white colors you need to make it look like. Now here let's see what are we up to. You just have to get the papers, just get the crumbs of sheets in this, and you just have to spread it the layers like this of a pencil shades in this. Now with the help of tissue you need to just spread it further and get the shades like of a mountain side. You just have to make the shades like this, and this is gonna look absolutely. Rub them off and just decorate your scenery further in this manner with the help of your pencil. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Thank you so much.